Welcome back. My name is Ray. I help men master their journey, and in this video, I want to go over 2 of the biggest mistakes that I conquered that I know that you're facing when practicing retention. And please don't get this confused. I'm talking about semen retention, not no fap. Watch my other videos if you want a little bit of an explanation of what the fuck the difference is, because so many guys think they're the same freaking thing. And a lot of coaches and a lot of random YouTubers, they say the same thing. So check it out, man. 2 things. First and foremost, this is the most important thing. I've made free workshops, check out in the description, covering this, teaching you techniques, visualization, breathing, so you can learn to meditate. And that is number 1, man. Meditate. I cannot stress this enough. Meditation, man, is the most important thing that you can do in your life to take you to the next level. I started saying this in every video because of how important it is and how overlooked it is. And I'm gonna continue saying it in every video. I'm gonna make courses and masterclasses because you need to do this. If there were anything that I were to just say, if some guy walks up to me and they're like, hey, if you were to give somebody one piece of advice to skyrocket their results, what would it be? Surprise, you guessed it, freaking meditation. No freaking doubt. This is so important because it is the other side of the equation. You cannot practice retention, not ejaculate, cultivate all of this energy, which most people don't even explain to you what this energy is. A lot of people think it's just physical energy, ATP production. Look it up, you might learn something. This, my friend, is another way of cultivating the man you want to be. If you think that by not ejaculating for months and months and months is doing you good, you are totally on the wrong path. And it will lead you down a path of stagnation, of codependency with semen retention, which is absolutely not what we want. We do not want that. We want it to work for us, not against us. The only way to make this complete, again, is to meditate. Now, number 2, and this goes in tandem with meditation. Number 2 is the physical, and non-physical. See, guys think that these are the same thing. Guys think that, just like I explained to you earlier, the physical is the act of retaining. You are practicing retention, doing the physical. Now, the non-physical, the metaphysical, what do we do then? This is the other half. The mistake men make is they don't even think about this. They don't know about this, and they don't put it into practice. You think, oh, that's hippy-dippy. That's woo-woo stuff. It's not real. Just like gems and stones, that's not real. They have no powers. You are mistaken, my friend. The most powerful thing that we can do in our lives is meditate. And through meditation, we bring these together. Okay? When we bring these together, that's when the true benefits come. That's when I know men want women. So I'm gonna give you this example. I practiced retention for months and months and months. When I was younger and I found out about this, I thought, oh, if I stop ejaculating and cultivate this energy, I will get women. Period. Nope. You might get a couple looks, sure. But the thing is your beliefs of this working is exactly what's getting you those looks. You could have done that without retention. You could have done that, man. Real benefits of retention are women doing stupid shit to get in your presence. I've had women literally drop shit in front of me, drop their phone and say, oh no, like, oh, damsel in distress, will you please help me? Like stupid stuff when I started to put the non-physical into play. So real quick, I want to explain to you how this works. This is you. I know you guys like my little stick figures. That's you. You are practicing retention, and that is the non-physical, that is the physical. So you are practicing the physical. And that is a sense of being that you are putting there from your thoughts. Okay? Your thoughts are putting this there. Okay? This is not your aura. This is not how this works. This is here from the physical. Your pheromones. Okay? That's a huge thing. But I think guys take this out of context and think that women are fucking dogs and they're sniffing out pheromones. First of all, there's so many things that are going up our nose and in our ears all day, like thousands and thousands. Your pheromones are not affecting women. That's maybe after you create a relationship with them and you've had sex with them a few times, okay? That's when, pheromones can come into play, but that's not how humans work. True attraction is the other side of it, the aura, okay? The aura is the true benefits of retention. Don't make the mistake of just staying stagnant in this belief of this right here is so critical to just forget. Just forget about it, man. Just let it be. Just let it be. When you create the aura about you, which, by the way, there are multiple levels to this aura. Multiple levels. This is our energy, our vibration. Haven't you ever gotten into, stood next to somebody, you could feel that they were angry or upset or there was something off? That is their vibration. That is your intuitive sense, your higher self giving you information beyond your five senses. That's the truth of the matter. That's what I want you to understand. Work on your aura. That's where the magic happens, man. And these are the mistakes I see with men who are practicing retention. Don't go down that road of staying stuck in this or thinking that this is the end all be all. It's not, man. You're missing the whole other side of the equation. Now listen, in our world, our five senses and our physical self is only 0.000000001% of the equation. Seriously, 99.999999999 is the other half. Don't fuck this up, man. Do not mess this up. How do you get your aura to be powerful? You cultivate that true energy, that masculinity that we want. Right here, man. Meditate. Do not leave this out of your development journey. Meditate. Put the physical and the non-physical in tandem. And then watch as your spirit grows. Thank you for watching, man. I sincerely hope you took a little bit away from this and now you have kind of an understanding of the pitfalls that men will face with semen retention, with following all this content online and not looking deeper for yourself. Look deeper. Don't be afraid to ask questions and go further than what you think you know. I'll see you in the next video, my friend.